Let multiple organizers create and sell events on your platform so you can grow faster and earn more without managing every event yourself. Eventin Pro and Dokan let vendors manage their own events with full control while you handle approvals and earn commissions. Now let's see how to set it all up, step by step, so you can launch your own multi-vendor event marketplace. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Before starting, make sure to install and activate Eventin Pro, WooCommerce, and Dokan. Now tap on the add-on, and then enable Dokan. Head over to the Dokan settings and configure the selling option. Then hit Save Changes. Now head over to the Eventin settings and make sure that the Dokan Event Publish approval is enabled. Now log in as a vendor and head over to the dashboard and tap on the event. Now click on the Add New Event. Fill out the event form and publish it. Now book an event as a user. Yes, the booking is confirmed. Go back to the vendor dashboard and then Orders. Mark the order as completed. Check the dashboard. You can see the total earnings. You can see the exact details from the event in the bookings area. So this is how you can create a multi-vendor event marketplace and double your earnings with Eventin. We hope you liked the tutorial. Stay connected and follow our social channels. Thanks for watching.